Confidence and personal beauty promotion. Self-confidence and personal beauty promotion are two closely linked concepts that play a significant role in how we perceive ourselves and how others perceive us. Self-confidence is often described as a feeling of trust in one's abilities, qualities, and judgments. It is an internal belief in oneself that allows us to tackle challenges and overcome obstacles with ease. On the other hand, personal beauty promotion refers to the process of enhancing one's physical appearance to feel more confident and attractive. Self-confidence is essential for personal growth and development. It impacts our relationships, career, and overall well-being. When we have confidence in ourselves, we are more likely to take risks and pursue our goals. We believe in our abilities and trust our judgment, which enables us to make better decisions and take on challenges that we might otherwise avoid. Self-confidence also affects how we interact with others. We are more likely to be assertive and express our opinions when we have confidence in ourselves, which can lead to more fulfilling relationships. Personal beauty promotion is a way to enhance our physical appearance to feel more confident and attractive. This can include anything from wearing makeup, styling our hair, or dressing in a certain way. While some may argue that beauty is only skin deep, the truth is that our physical appearance can impact how we feel about ourselves. When we look good, we feel good, and this can boost our self-confidence. Personal beauty promotion can also be a form of self-expression. We can use our appearance to convey our personality, style, and creativity, which can be empowering and fulfilling. However, it is important to note that personal beauty promotion should not be the only source of our self-confidence. While enhancing our physical appearance can make us feel better about ourselves, it is important to also focus on building our inner confidence. This can be achieved by acknowledging our strengths and accomplishments, setting achievable goals, and practicing self-care. When we have a strong sense of self-worth, we are less likely to rely solely on our physical appearance for validation and can instead focus on our internal qualities. In conclusion, self-confidence and personal beauty promotion are two interconnected concepts that can significantly impact our lives. While personal beauty promotion can enhance our physical appearance and boost our self-confidence, it should not be the only source of our self-worth. It is important to also focus on building our inner confidence through self-care, acknowledging our strengths, and setting achievable goals. When we have a healthy balance of both internal and external confidence, we can live a more fulfilling and confident life. Self-confidence and a positive mindset are crucial for personal beauty and glow from within. Beauty lies not only in physical appearance but also in one's inner peace and confidence, which can then shine through and make a person truly attractive.